Hola amigos ruteros, estamos acá en Momos, el centro de entrenamiento base. Estamos saliendo de nuestra hora de práctica, estamos muy emocionados, todo nos está saliendo muy bien, muchas horas de práctica, de entrenamientos.
Hoy probamos los cafés, probamos las bebidas, le dimos a probar a mucha gente, a muchos competidores, les ha gustado mucho, entonces creemos que todo está bien, gracias a Dios nos está saliendo como hemos planeado y ya estamos ansiosos de que sea el día que va a competir Roy es el...
Yo compito el primero a las 4:45 de la tarde, hora Corea. Entonces eso quiere decir que a las 1:45 de la mañana del día 1 voy a estar compitiendo hora Costa Rica.
Ojalá apoyarnos, mandarnos las mejores energías, los mensajes positivos a Roy antes de la competencia y nada, pues a dejar el café en Costa Rica lo más alto posible.
Pura vida.
Gracias, nos vemos.
Hey, how are you? Hi, thank you. Thank you. Gracias. Sí, sí, ¿me escuchan bien? You can listen me? Yes? Okay. Time. In our journey through life, we encounter many uncertainties and changes. Yet, there is something certain and constant: death. As difficult as it sounds, that does make us think about how short life is and how important it is to take advantage of every moment. In this context, cultivating the land sustainably can be not only an act of ecological conservation, but also a deeper connection with life that highlights the importance of putting the life of the farmers and the soil first. I'm Marín. I'm representing Buena Vida specialty coffee from Costa Rica. Now, I prepared the espresso for my signature drink, and I will be back soon. Today, I'm proud to present two coffees that go beyond the cup and share an experience that embraces sustainability and respect for the planet. Regenerative agriculture is a journey. It doesn't happen overnight. It takes time and dedication to make the transition from death to bringing life back to the land. Originating from La Lajas micromill in Costa Rica, I present two coffees that have been grown with sustainable agricultural practice for over 2 decades. Dedication to nature and quality, it's evident in every bean. However, this doesn't mean that all varieties are resilient to the climate change. I chose this Katiwa MG2 for espresso course due to its distinct aromatics, and I selected SL34 for the rest of my drinks to its higher tactile experience. I chose these varieties because they are both disease resistant, very productive, and the most importantly, an excellent cup quality. The farm is located 1,500 meters above sea level. Back in 2000, it was abandoned. By implementing regenerative practice, farmers overcome the environmental challenges that the coffee industry has experienced for the last year. I poured my signature espressos into this hyper chiller to quickly lower their temperature. Throughout my presentation, tell you more about my coffees. But first, what is regenerative agriculture? It's restoring soil to the healthy state with natural microbes in harmony with nature to grow wonderful coffees. It's not just an agricultural approach, it's a philosophy that acknowledges our responsibility to the land. This process is called Black Diamond. It involves harvest 100% ripe cherries that are cleaned and electronically sorted by color. Then they are taken to the patios, where they underwent aerobic fermentation for 48 hours. After this period, the coffee is spread and moved every 2 hours until reaching a moisture point, obtaining a fruity notes in my coffee. The added value of La Laja's micromills lies in its processes. This is why Oscar and Francisca, the producers, take care every detail of their beans, referring to them as their black diamonds. The best expression of my espresso is using 23.5 grams in for 53 grams out. And please, judges, stir 5 times clockwise. This movement help balance the flavors of my espresso. And then put in a container next to you. And please drink in 2 sips, so you can perceive fruity notes that processing technique provides. And then the distinguished profile that this variety has. You are going to taste a complex medium acidity, like orange, a medium sweetness, like brown sugar, a medium plus bitterness, like 70% chocolate, medium body, velvety and coating texture, and a pleasant, long-lasting chocolate finish. The flavors note are milky chocolate, dark cherry, and orange. Please enjoy it, judges. Okay, now I will begin with my meal drink service. The roasting process of my coffee was a long understanding the beans. After several batches, we noticed that due to the nutrients absorbed for the soil, these beans have a higher density and require more care. So we opted for a curve of a total time of 8 minutes and just 12% developed. This curve developed exceptional complexity, and it defined and intensified the flavors of my coffee. When combined with milk, which underwent cold distillation process to 30% of initial weight, it obtained a higher sweetness, creamy texture, and a medium to high body. Please write down the description of my milk drink. Dulce de leche, vanilla, and chocolate ice cream. Judges, my goal is to demonstrate that through responsible agricultural practice, we can achieve exceptional crop results and regenerate the soils. For me, it's an honor to bring this coffee that represents one of 10 certified regenerative farms worldwide. I'm using 22 grams in for 43 grams out. When combined with milk, with 90 milliliters of this distillation, obtain a better flavors. And I selected lactose-free milk with 2% fat because have a simple sugars that transform the tactile experience. Thank you. Please enjoy. Please enjoy. Please enjoy. Judge, please enjoy. Okay, now I will begin with my signature drink, which is called "And Please Drink in 2 Sips," so you can, for a better appreciation, the flavors. This is a representation of a dead planet and lifeless soil. Our mission is to demonstrate that through. Our mission is to demonstrate. Our mission is to regenerate that dead air back into life cycle on coffee farms worldwide. For my first ingredient, and most important, 4 espressos that I previously prepared beginning my presentation by lowering their temperature to achieve a better flavors and a floral aroma. My second ingredient, it's a syrup I cook for 2 hours with a mixture, 300 grams of almond milk, pistachio nibs and pistachios and cacao nibs, 100 grams each, and 200 grams of raw sugar. I'm using 45 milliliters and create a new flavors of toffee and caramel syrup. My third ingredient is a natural pineapple juice. I prepare with 100 grams of pineapples. I'm using 45 milliliters and create a new flavors of orange jelly and caramelized red apple. I would like to finish with a message. Regenerative agriculture is key to mitigating climate change and make our farms more resilient. It involves adopting practices that help our agricultural ecosystem, making them healthier and more sustainable in the long term.
Hola Costa Rica, ¿cómo están? De nada, pasaba por acá para decirles que muchas gracias, perdón a los que no les he podido contestar, pero agradezco a todos por los buenos deseos, por los buenos mensajes. Lastimosamente no pasamos a semifinales.
No se logró el objetivo,
pero no importa, o sea, estoy muy feliz por nuestro resultado, estoy muy feliz por lo que aprendimos y queremos seguir intentándolo, entonces...
No nos vamos a rendir, ese es el punto. Y de nada, agradecerles a todos los que nos apoyaron para llegar aquí y cumplir este sueño. Pues gracias, y como les decimos, no nos vamos a rendir. La idea es volver a Costa Rica, compartir con ustedes toda la experiencia e intentarlo para la próxima vez. Y ojalá todos los que quieran competir y necesiten apoyo, pues aquí vamos a estar. La idea es volver y compartir esta experiencia y saber y que sepan que estamos aquí para que sea lo que necesiten.
Los queremos.
Gracias, de verdad.